Hello, I'm Gerald, the founder of PT Technology Tujuh Asia. So our company focus on artificial intelligence, especially with the natural language processing. So I make this video from the home, uh, work from home, of course. So that is why if you hear something noise from cars and everything else, it is because I am at homes. So this is we believe that we are going to make a demo of the true artificial intelligence for voice and chatbot. So the implementation can be in so many areas, but in this demo today, we are making this as for CRM BPN or Badan Pertanahan Nasional. So this scenario that we make for them, and we can only limit the questions only for 4 questions, which is locations, the land size, and the publication date of the certificate, and also the geometry of the land certificate. But actually, in implementation, we can make this to like 1,000 questions. So this is a real artificial intelligence, so they can interact with us smoothly. And this is, we believe, is a breakthrough for the real artificial intelligence for voice and chatbot. So why don't we start from this one? Let me refresh. If you look at this, okay.
Halo, selamat datang di layanan terpusat Badan Pertanahan Nasional.
Yes, so we can connect through phones, we can connect through apps that will help people to get information, for example, about the land certificate. So everything can be done through this platform. So we don't need the call center or many other things, similar one. All right. Okay. Because they say the introduction, of course, we're gonna say just like in Indonesian people. Selamat siang, Mbak. So maybe the response is not as quick.
Halo, kami BPN siap membantu Anda.
Yes, maybe the response is not as quick as we expected because of our server is outside Indonesia. So it really depends of the the internet as well. But in implementation, real implementation, of course, that it will be much quicker than this. Okay, so they are ready to help us, and let me give you the data that we have. So this is the data. So this is the dummy data that we have. There is a kelurahan, nomor certificate, and everything else data. So actually, this chatbot is connected through the API to all the data. So we can imagine that if all the data can be connected through this platform of the chatbot and voice. All right, so we're gonna ask the questions about the certificates, but I'm going to ask you with my voice here, okay? So, saya mau bertanya tentang sertifikat tanah. So that's the first one. I'm going to ask them.
Iya, baik, boleh kami tahu nomor sertifikat tanah yang ingin ditanyakan?
So they respond just like exactly that we expected. So I'm going to ask them through the voice about the number of certificates. Saya mau tanya sertifikat tanah. Okay, look at this now. Number 9030207352, but that's in English. Saya mau tanya Mbak, nomor sertifikat 9030207352. 7352. Okay, it's gonna see that how they respond to us. I have mixed it with English and Indonesia, so I hope that they understand it. Okay, it depends on the internet as well.
Maaf, kami hanya bisa menjawab pertanyaan tentang BPN.
Okay, they confused because we mix it with Bahasa and also. But let me ask them again. Saya mau tanya sertifikat nomor 9030730732. But in reality, actually, we can do with the mixing language. But what we have done this only for Indonesians.
Nomor sertifikat tersebut terdaftar. Apakah Anda membutuhkan informasi tambahan sehubungan dengan sertifikat tersebut?
Iya Mbak, saya mau tahu luas tanahnya. So, in these questions, I don't have to repeat it, the number, so they will understand.
Ukuran sebidang tanah untuk sertifikat tanah ayah Anda dengan nomor 90307307352 adalah 157 meter persegi.
So if you look at it this one, so they understand it, my voice, that even though I do not have to say the number of the certificate, but they know that it is the relations with the previous number of certificate that I'm asking. Because if we look at the data here, that one I'm asking, so we're gonna check what is the what is the size of the land. Look at that. Look at it. Sorry, 157. So if you go there, that's exactly the number they said. Okay, how if someone in caller is saying that they want to wait, something like that. Tunggu sebentar ya Mbak. So this is something like I'm going to ask them to wait because I'm doing something
Baik,
else.
saya akan menunggu Anda.
And then I come again and then said, Oke Mbak, saya bisa lanjutkan Mbak, saya bisa teruskan. So I just say something that
Tentu, kami siap menjawab pertanyaan Anda.
So they continue can answer it, and then I will ask you again another certificate. Bisa saya tanya sertifikat lainnya, Mbak? So let's move to the other certificate.
Tentu saja, boleh kami tahu nomor sertifikat tersebut?
Okay, so we're gonna pick another certificate here with this one. Okay, we're gonna put that one, or we're gonna put this one, I guess. Right? So this certificate number, and we're gonna ask them this certificate number. Oke Mbak, sertifikatnya nomor 903033033536. So we're gonna see how they responded. Okay, that's the correct one.
Maaf, nomor sertifikat tanah tersebut tidak terdaftar. Apakah Anda bisa memberikan datanya kembali?
So if it's not registered or something else happens, then they will say sorry. So maybe I spell something wrong with that, and then let's just make it because sometimes let's just make it a copy of it. So we copy that, and then we put here. We don't know what happened here.
Nomor
Yeah.
sertifikat tersebut terdaftar. Apakah Anda membutuhkan informasi tambahan sehubungan dengan sertifikat tersebut?
So if you look at the screen, the number that I said before, it is wrong, right? So this is the right one that it is that is I just copy and paste. So the machine can understand whether it is wrong, whether it is right, whether it's correct or not. So it's very fun. And then I'm gonna say about the location, okay? Ya, lokasinya dari sertifikat tersebut di mana, Mbak?
Dari hasil pengecekan
So,
lokasi dari nomor sertifikat ada di Grogol Petamburan dan Tanjung Duren Utara.
so look at that. The number here is okay. Let us check Grogol Petamburan and that one exactly right. Previously, it's different. So they answer it correctly, so they can understand and interact with us, and they even know if our data is wrong or it is not wrong. So let me say that maybe we cannot hear it very clearly, and I'm gonna say them to repeat it again. Mbak bisa diulangi kembali?
Baik, saya ulangi sekali lagi. Dari hasil pengecekan lokasi dari nomor sertifikat ada di Grogol Petamburan dan Tanjung Duren Utara.
So they can respond it and then they repeat it again. So I will make another video for further interactions. So that's having fun. So let us say thank you to this machine because they have helped us a lot. Terima kasih Mbak atas informasinya.
Terima kasih atas kesediaannya menghubungi BPN.
That's it. I think that's the demo. How this can be implemented with the booking. For example, you want to book with doctors, you want to book with the travels, and many other things that we can develop based on this very smart AI that we have. Thank you for listening us and waiting for another video from us.